Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Caesar P Vlog, once again with no background, as you guys could see. The reason why I'm doing it without a background, I just did not like, um, you know, the going around my head and all that. But today, I'm gonna go ahead and bring to you a video to kind of help you out, share your videos, and kind of you know, work your way around to be able to do actually free funnel marketing. All right. In other words, for you to funnel your video through other sites like Facebook. All right. Which is the one that we're going to be covering today. All right. So, with no further ado, guys, let's get right to it. All right, guys. So, like I did go ahead and say, we are going to do Facebook today. All right. So, that's what we're going to be doing. So, here we go. Let's go ahead and get the screen right on here. Boom. And we're in. All right. So, what you guys are seeing here is my Facebook. Okay. So, the reason why I'm doing this because there's a lot of people saying, how can I go about to actually getting more views on my YouTube videos? Because I know it's something that it's not, I know it's something that it's just not that easy, but it definitely can be done. Okay, guys? So that's one of the first reasons why I want to go ahead and make this video because I did go through all of this. All of this, I didn't have anybody to actually show me how to do this. All right. So I've been able to actually figure this out over the time. And, you know, it's something that I believe actually helps, and it'll go ahead and help for your own business as well. Okay, which is Facebook groups. Okay, so let's go ahead and get on that again here. So what we'll do, what do we want to look for? All right, as you see, what I've looked for here is right now. What did I want to do? What was I actually doing? Um, I was actually doing places where I can actually send my YouTube link for people to actually watch my YouTube video, right? So this is one of the ways that I actually do it besides just putting it on YouTube and kind of see what happens. I'm not a kind of see what happens guy. I really like to, make things happen if you can. So that's actually what I wanted to do. Okay, guys, so let's go ahead and go to that, and I'll show you guys how and where I went to actually do this. It's really simple. It's really simple, okay? So, um, let's go ahead and go to, let's search for YouTube. And it all depends because you will find as well, this is the English part of it because you can, if you guys are watching me from Latin America, and you guys can actually do the same thing in your country. You can put YouTube. Um, say I'm in Panama City, Panama, just so you guys know. Um, we could put YouTube Panama, right? So there it goes, Gente de Panama YouTube channel. All right. So if we were actually to be looking for that and click for that, you'd find, people worldwide, YouTube channels, promotion, Panamanians outside of Panama. So it'll bring stuff out and try to cover within, um, within what you put in, right? So Panama would kind of turn into a keyword type of thing. Okay. So, all right. So let's see this one. All right. Welcome to YouTubers. This group is a growing YouTube channels. This group is a place to share your links and videos and pages. Da da da. Okay. So that's all great. And what video, first of all, you got to know what video you want to go ahead and do. And this is one of my new videos from yesterday. So we'll do share on this one, and then we'll go ahead and copy it. Okay, so now we have it copied to the clipboard as it says here, and then we'll go back to Facebook groups, right? You'll find the group you like or a group. Here you can tell how many members are in the group and how many posts a day it receives. So there you can kind of figure out what type of movement it has. Okay. So I think, guys, that's one of the most important things to see the movement within the groups. And you can actually see that. You can't see that in depth, like as it comes out here, you can see how many members and 10 plus posts a day, I think is about good. So you can actually use that to your advantage. But guys, all right, you got to pay attention to where you're going to post and how many people are within that group. I cannot stress that enough. All right. You guys have to go ahead and pay more attention within how many people are within that group. All right. Because I think that's extremely, extremely important. All right. So, once again, here, how many people are within this group? We have 121,000 members within the group. So, here we have YouTube channel owners. So, these are mostly owners for YouTube videos. So let's go ahead and do this. All right, 121,000 members on this one. All right, so we'll do join, and then we'll go ahead and look at the group. Okay, and then from there we've already copied the link for a video. All right, so what we want to do here is create the post. Go ahead and copy that link, and what we'll do is put some information underneath. And obviously know what video intro, how to make an intro video. All right, so here I'm posting a great video made by me for creating an intro video, right? Okay, so um we can also put period. Hope it helps. If any questions, please comment below the video and we'll get back to you ASAP. All right, so that's pretty much, and we can go ahead and put, um, here we can go ahead and put thanks, and we're off. All right, guys, so, once you get that done, and it'll go ahead and post it on you immediately. It should immediately post it. So let's go back to the scene here. Um, and here it is. Here it is. All right. So that means I will get some kicks from that. Okay, guys. So, really important, guys. Use that to your advantage because you just can. Go ahead and use it. I believe I can tell you I use it and it actually works for me very well. All right. So, all right, guys. hope you guys liked the video. If you do have any questions, go ahead and underneath the description of the video, you'll be able to comment, and go ahead and comment and tell me if you liked the video or if you didn't. All right. So that way we can kind of see what's going on. If you guys need anything in particular, definitely I'll go ahead and post a video about anything you guys want. All right, guys. So I'm here to go ahead and help you guys. That's what I'm here for. So see you guys in the next one. All right. Peace out.